G'day, Matt from Caribee here. Today we're going to look at the Traveller 40 carry-on bag. This has been a very popular bag for Caribee since its introduction. It's a great bag for airline carry-on, also weekend trips away or short trips. Its size is 40 litres. It's 56 high by 32 wide by 22 deep. So it's a manageable size. As I said, ideal for interstate trips or carry-on. Let's take a look on the outside features first, then we'll delve inside later on. So the bag is a twin compartment bag. So you've got a main compartment here with separators and dividers. You also got a front pocket access. On the front here, you've got a sleeve pocket, and that's great for putting your keys, phone, wallet, just any quick access items that if you're traveling, you just want to get to really quickly and easily. On the outside, you've got two great padded carry handles here, webbing carry handles. Allows you to carry the bag as a briefcase style or from the top. Around the back, you've got a concealed harness system and also a trolley strap. So if you've got luggage with you with the trolley system, just pop that over the top and you can just wheel the whole bag together, which is a great option. Around the other side here, there's an oversized bottle pocket. Allows you to carry your water with you on your trips. And then at the base of the bag, you've got this water resistant material. So that's also handy too. If you put the bag down, nothing comes through the bottom of the bag and makes your clothes wet or dirty. So looking at some of the features here. So you've got the bag as it is, no straps hanging out of it. So if you do need to check the bag into airline luggage hold, you can. There's no straps going to get caught on the carousel. The bag obviously has lockable zips here, so you can apply locks to it if you do check the bag in too. But if you're carrying the bag, you've got the option of these two carry handles, or access the base here. There's a side shoulder strap here that comes out of the base of the bag. Just clip that onto the top here, and you can wear the bag as a shoulder bag, leaves your hands free. Or another option is, if we turn around the back here, you access the padded shoulder straps. Now this turns the carry-on bag into a backpack, so you just unzip the shoulder strap sleeve here, pull your straps out. There's one, two. As you can see, they're really well padded here, and you've got some great padding on the back here too. You've got a sternum strap here. You just clip the shoulder straps into the base D-rings here, and you can use your carry-on bag as a carry-on backpack now. So that's a great feature of this bag. Another solid feature of this bag here, which I think is an unbelievable option, is the fact you can access the laptop compartment from outside the bag. Now, some other bags you have the laptop compartment inside the bag, but you find if you have your laptop in there while you travel and you want to access it, you've got to pull everything out of your bag to get to the laptop. So this one has the external rear sleeve here. So you open it there, 15-inch laptop can go straight in the back here. Very nicely padded, so it protects your laptop. So you can access that when you're sitting at the airport waiting for your flights easy, or put it back away. So taking a look inside the bag now, here's one with nothing inside it. As mentioned, it's a twin compartment bag. So you've got the main pocket and the front pocket and the front sleeve pocket we discussed before. So as you can see there, lockable zip housings. If we open up the front compartment here, first thing you notice here is the padding on the front pocket here. So that really protects anything in the front of this bag. So open that up. You've got nice zippered storage pockets here. There's a sleeve pocket here. There's storage sleeves there, but also really great room into this compartment here that you can pack a lot of gear into and keep some great essentials away from the main compartment. So that's the front pocket. If you look now into the main compartment, we just opened there. It opens fully like a suitcase, great access. Here again, you can pack two sides of the main compartment. So down the bottom compartment here, nice divider, gives you great room. So there's good depth in this compartment here to pack a lot of gear in there. So that gives you all your luggage and clothes in this side. Up the top compartments, sleeve pockets there for toiletries, accessories, bits and pieces, and even another pocket here that allows you to keep other gear away, separated inside the main compartment. The whole bag only weighs 1.3 kilos. So I would definitely recommend the Traveller 40 carry-on to anyone looking to go overseas, away for short trips. Awesome bag, check it out now.